Hello and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be talking about an exciting offer by Kohinoor Group, that is Kohinoor Dil Ki Deal. But before that, do you know what is Housey? So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with the developers, thereby giving you the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform, जहां हम एक इंक्वायरी करते ही हमारा नंबर शेयर हो जाता है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ, in Housey, we connect you directly with the developers. Housey में listing brokers नहीं, builders करते हैं. So यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़िए and book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. So Kohinoor Dil Ki Deal includes 7 premium projects at 7 perfect location in Pune. So let's start with the project overview of these 7 premium projects. Starting with Kohinoor Central Park, which is located in Hinjawadi, Pune. So this project is constructed on 13.5 acres of land parcel, consisting of 12 towers, with each tower of ground plus 21 floors having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 3 BHK duplex premium residencies. Now let's discuss the carpet area of this project. 2 BHKs ranging from 725 to 894 square feet, 3 BHK starting from 955 to 1087 square feet and 3 BHK duplex is 1276 square feet usable carpet area. Now second one is Kohinoor Uptown Avenue, which is located in Punawale, Pune. This project is constructed on 10 acres of land parcel consisting of 8 towers with ground plus 22 floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium apartments. 2 BHK is 723 to 796 square feet. 3 BHK is 982 to 1276 square feet usable carpet area. Third one is Westview Reserve, which is located in Wakad, Pune. This project is constructed on 10 acres of land parcel consisting of 7 towers with each tower of ground plus 22 floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. 2 BHK is 752 to 798 square feet. 3 BHK is 939 to 1244 square feet usable carpet area. Now the fourth one is Kohinoor Riverdale, which is located in Kharadi, Pune. This project will be constructed on 5 acres of land parcel consisting of 5 towers with ground plus 27 floors having 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies with 2 BHK is 697 to 767 square feet, 2.5 BHK is 852 square feet and 3 BHK is 989 square feet usable carpet area. Now Kohinoor Riva Pixel, which is located in Dhanuri, Pune. This project will be constructed on 4.8 acres of land parcel consisting of 6 towers with basement plus ground plus 15 floors having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium apartments. 2 BHK ranging from 780 to 810 square feet. 3 BHK is 900 to 1100 square feet. And 4 BHK is 1280 square feet usable carpet area. Now the sixth one is Kohinoor Shangri-La in Pimpri, Pune. This project will be constructed on 4 acre of land parcel consisting of 3 towers with basement plus ground plus 2 podium plus 11 floor and 22 floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. 2 BHK ranging from 619 to 809 square feet and 3 BHK is 1000 to 1074 square feet. Now the last one is Kohinoor Abhiman Homes, which is located in Mamurdi, Pune. This project will be constructed on 8 acres of land parcel consisting of 7 towers with basement plus ground plus 14 floors having 1 BHK and 2 BHK premium residencies with 1 BHK is 457 square feet, 2 BHK is 584 to 849 square feet usable carpet area. Now let's have a look at the Dil Ki Deals offer. Number 1 is assured rental for 12 months. Second one is gold voucher of rupee 1 lakh and third one is flexi EMI for 18 months. So these are the offer by Kohinoor Group. And interesting. And this offer will be valid till 15th of November 2024. So quickly go and register on housey.com to schedule your free site visit to grab this Dil Ki Deal.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.